Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatre Bhagat and today is 6th of June 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is SQL commands. So basically when we are dealing with an relational database management system, then as in previous video we have seen that what is meant by MySQL. So basically it is a relational database management system. So in this, we are dealing with rows and columns for inserting the data, manipulating the data, and other such activities used in an organization or any company for a database management system. So when we are dealing with this database, we are having a different types of commands, that is SQL commands. So what is meant by SQL commands? So basically SQL commands are instruction or a set of instruction which is used to communicate between the database. It is also used to perform a specific task, functions and queries of data. Means if we have to perform some task at that time we use the SQL commands. So SQL can perform various tasks like while creating the table, while adding the data to the table, while dropping the table, while changing the table or modifying the table, while setting the permission for users. At that time we are using the SQL commands. So we are having different types of SQL commands. So we will see one by one. So first of all we are having an data definition languages. So in which in data definition languages changes the structure of the table, like creating a table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. All these commands of data definition language are auto-committed. That means it permanently saves all the changes in the database. So we will see this some DDL commands. So basically the first one is an create, second one is an alter, then drop, then truncate. So what is meant by create command? So create command, it is used to create a new data table in a database. So drop command. So again the drop command which is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. Then alter command. Alter command is used to alter the structure of the database. These changes could be either to modify the characteristics of an existing attribute or probably to add a new attribute. So means in alter table we are suppose we have to modify any specific row or any specific data of that relevant table. So at that time we are using then alter command. So next one is an truncate. So in truncate we are it is used, truncate command is used to delete all the rows from the table and free the space containing the tables. Means basically in delete, the difference between the delete and truncate is if we use the delete command, at that time the totally our database has been deleted, but in truncate command which is used to specific delete or clear the data from a specific row of the table. Then there the next type is a data manipulation language, in which the data manipulation language commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all forms of changes in the database. That is, the command of data manipulation language is not auto-committed. That means it can be permanently saved all the changes in the database. They can be rollback. So we will see some of the commands like insert, update, delete. So basically the insert command is used in a query language. It is used to insert the data into the rows of the table. At that time we use the insert command. Then update command. The update command is used to modify or update the values of the column in the table after inserting. If we have to do some changes in the specific row, at that time we are using an update command. So the next one is a delete command. Delete command, which is basically used to remove one or more row from a table. Then the next one is a data query language. In the data query language, which is used to fetch the data from the database. Means suppose we have to fetch some data or see some data, at that time we are using the data query language. So basically in this we are using the command select. So basically the select command is same as the projection operation of an relational algebra. It is used to select the attributes based on the condition described by where clause. That is syntax. The syntax follows as select expression from tables where and our condition. So take an example. If we are having an employee table and in that table we are having an employee name as a column. So at that time we will use an query as select employee name from employees table where then condition our age is greater than 20 or any other. So this is all about the SQL commands. Thank you.